Becoming a ride-sharing driver is a straightforward process, but it requires a few steps to get started. Here are the step-by-step details on how to become a ride-sharing driver. Step 1. Research and choose a ride-sharing platform. Research popular ride-sharing platforms like Uber, Lyft, or other local options available in your area. Compare driver requirements, fees, and driver benefits to select the platform that best suits your preferences. Step 2. Meet basic requirements. Most ride-sharing platforms have similar basic requirements, such as being at least 21 years old. Age may vary by location. You must have a valid driver's license, insurance, and a clean driving record. Some platforms also require a certain number of years of driving experience. Step 3. Gather required documents. Prepare necessary documents, including your driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance, and any additional documents required by the specific platform. Step 4. Vehicle inspection. Schedule a vehicle inspection to ensure your car meets the ride-sharing platform's safety standards. The inspection typically checks brakes, lights, tires, and other essential components. Step 5. Background check. Submit to a background check, which is a standard part of the application process for ride-sharing drivers. The background check may include criminal history and driving record checks. Step 6. Sign up and complete application. Create an account on the ride-sharing platform's website or app and complete the driver application. Provide accurate information and upload the necessary documents during the application process. Step 7. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, wait for the ride-sharing platform to review your documents and complete the background check. Approval time may vary, but you'll typically receive a notification within a few days. Step 8. Download the driver app. Once approved, download the ride-sharing platform's driver app from the App Store on your smartphone. Log in using the credentials you created during the application process. Step 9. Set up your availability. Choose your working hours and set your availability in the driver app. You can decide when you want to drive and when you don't. Step 10. Accept ride requests. Turn on the driver app when you're ready to start accepting ride requests. You'll receive notifications for nearby ride requests from passengers. Step 11. Provide excellent service. When you accept a ride, follow the app's navigation to reach the passenger's location. Provide excellent customer service and ensure a safe and pleasant ride experience. Step 12. Earnings and payments. Track your earnings through the app, which will show your fares and any additional bonuses or incentives. Payments are typically made weekly or on a predetermined schedule. Step 13. Maintain your vehicle. Regularly maintain your vehicle to ensure it remains in good working condition. Keeping your car clean and well maintained will lead to better ratings and more satisfied passengers. Step 14. Be responsive to feedback. Pay attention to passenger feedback and work on improving your service based on the reviews you receive. Positive reviews can lead to more ride requests. Becoming a ride-sharing driver can be a flexible and rewarding side hustle. Remember to comply with all local regulations and follow the rules and guidelines set forth by the ride-sharing platform you choose to drive for. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to becoming a ride-sharing driver. Smash that like and subscribe button as you won't want to miss our weekly strategies on how to make extra money. Thank you for watching.